To make an Uber Eats delivery account in the UK using a cycle or car, start by meeting the basic requirements. You must be at least 18 years old and have the right to work in the UK. For car delivery, you need a full UK driving license and a vehicle that meets Uber's requirements, typically a 1999 model or newer. For cycle delivery, you need a roadworthy bike and a helmet. Next, download the Uber Driver app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and tap on the Sign Up button. Then select Delivery by car or bike, depending on your chosen method. Enter your email address and create a password. Then provide your name, date of birth, and contact information. You will be asked to upload some documents, including a valid UK driving license, proof of insurance, and proof of address. For cycle delivery, you do not need to provide insurance, but you must still upload a valid form of identification. Once your documents have been uploaded and verified, you will be asked to complete a background check through a third-party provider. This typically takes a few days to complete and is a mandatory step in the sign-up process. After your background check has been completed, you can start receiving delivery requests through the app. Make sure your vehicle or bike is in good working condition and that you have a valid payment method set up to receive your earnings. To maximize your earnings, it is best to work during peak hours, typically lunch and dinner times, and to be available in areas with high demand. You can also choose to work in specific areas or at specific times to suit your needs. It is also important to follow Uber's guidelines and terms of service, and to provide excellent customer service to the people you deliver to. This includes being polite, friendly, and professional, and ensuring that orders are delivered quickly and efficiently. By following these steps and providing excellent service, you can make a successful Uber Eats delivery account in the UK using a cycle or car. Remember to stay safe on the road, follow all traffic laws, and enjoy the flexibility and freedom that comes with being an Uber Eats delivery partner.